How important is title insurance?
Extremely important. Very few people will skip it, and I always tell them it's an absolute must. The amount of times, just on a weekly basis, that I have to back up to a title policy. Some title companies are better than other title companies. And some don't always clear things as they should. Some don't have complete searches. Sometimes there's just human error. Nobody's perfect. Things can be missed. And if they're missed, like let's say you had a title search back and there was a big judgment on the previous owner, and it's very obviously them, but whoever did the title search somehow missed that. Stuff happens. We're human. Got to have that to back up to because we got an issue here. Or even a lot of times with mortgages, old mortgages that don't get released. That's a huge thing. And then they go out of business and nobody can track them down. So a lot of times, depending on the circumstances, like if you can prove that, hey, we did pay them off, here's our settlement statement, here's the check, here's, where it cleared, but we didn't get released because they went out of business 2 days later. With that type of information, we can back up to a policy. Dead people, again, they're always a huge issue.
Left out heirs.
Yeah, so anytime there's an heir file, pretty much I'm always asking for a policy because I don't know what you may or may not have missed. We go back and try to make sure everybody did everything as they could, but we want to make sure we have that policy in place.